Ryan here from quantlabs.net. Let's go over to my screen here. Our fun stuff here in the markets. What we have here is we've got markets are up barely, and S&P 500. You can see them right here, barely up, no more than 2/3 for Dow. Russell, I heard that the NASDAQ is up 11% this year so far. Gold 0.61. Oil, which is okay, silver's up almost 1% there, and oil 0.5%. Usual mixed story there on the forex. You can see the story here on our good old alternative barely. So let's go over to MotorWave and look for any of the major stuff as well. As I said before, yeah, I think it was yesterday, the CHF Canadian and Australia in Swiss franc. Yeah, actually 2 out of 3 for Canada. NASDAQ has now got a short. Well, we got a bunch of them, doesn't mean anything right now. So it might start to cool off. As usual, we still have pretty good strength in the top 30 of the US. That's where the strength is, to be truthful, in the markets. As well, USD, Japan yen, more of these longs for the CHF with Australia. Moving on to the markets here, we got euro, pound. Let's see the safe haven, euro, Norway, as expected. Down it goes with the performing stock markets globally. New Zealand, same thing. So this may become another safe haven performer as well. I don't really know. This was the shocker. This is a very steep performance curve for Hong Kong. Strong as I've seen since a little while. Again, you can never depend on these for a sustainable time period, but that's the strongest you'll find of all of them. And Netherlands, really choppy. You can see there's some trend, dips, pulls back, recovers. Thailand, sorry, yeah, this is Thailand. Very flat, goes choppy. So Hong Kong right now looks like the better one to be in. UK 10 years, same thing. But here's the NASDAQ with a short. So again, if you're going to play these, you're probably better off to be in a US top 30 ETF or something. Here is funny enough with the USD Hong Kong dollar dropping, with that short continuing. As well, more on the USD Japanese yen, the same. Let's see, New Zealand, Canada, slight performance there with some longs. Australia, Canada, I'm just trying to determine the strength of Canada, the Canadian dollar here. It's not very strong, it looks like. Okay, so now we get into Deutsche 30, short, choppy, not much going on there. UK 100, the same, very but it's short now. Might be due to pandemic. I don't know. France had a good similar trend with other indices, but you can see it's dropping there with a short. Dropping, but has a long. I don't really pay a lot of attention to this, but more shorts, 3 more shorts for USD Japanese yen. That's a pretty good determinant right there. Gold and Japanese yen, flat, not to be seen. Dropping also with a short, continuing. Gold. Whatever. There is a short here, I know, on the gold silver. So the markets are doing well. This would make sense. Silver in Canada, dollar got along. Longs here, yeah, 2 longs, but doesn't really perform all that well. As well, similar to euro. Silver in New Zealand, longs, very similar to the other ones. Not doing too good. France again, it's got a short. Euro 50 is quite a surprise. It's got a long, but I just wouldn't put money into that right now. Definitely in the US, the best one to be in for now. Euro, Japanese, Great Pound, British Pound, got a long, 1, 2, 2 longs there. This was a really surprise. Deutsche 10-year Bund short there, flat. The Deutsche 30. Hong Kong Japanese short, somewhat a slight rally with India 50, and a slight long. 2 out of 3. Okay, 2 out of 4 longs for Japanese yen. Kind of going nowhere. I would take that as a slight, well, a long, but very flat for Singapore 30. Thailand, US dollar, this is new. Yeah, I'm not even going to say anything on that. 1, 2, 2 out of 3 longs for the UK 10-year. The markets, though, for the UK, 1 long, 1 short. Has a long. It is trending up. So you can see here last week it did spike up when the markets were not performing. USD Thailand, really good run up. This is a surprise here in terms of alternative places to park money when the market goes bad. With USD Thai bot, USD 10-year short there. World famous USD Canadian dropping that short there. Had a nice run up, really good run up actually from $1.21 to $1.20. The Swiss franc again, that had a big bump up, but it went flat. So Swiss franc is doing okay. It's probably strengthening there. USD Japanese yen, 2 more shorts, pretty deep ones there. 3 actually. USD Sweden. Really going nowhere there. WTI shorting, flattening out in the last few days as well, with a short. Same with the Brent crude. 2 shorts there. Sugar, let's see, I got 2 of those, 1 short, 1 long. Take it too long. Yeah, I'm not going to report that. Pound against the Swiss franc short or long there. Singapore, let's see. Okay, platinum's, I think the last one got a long there. Long run up now. This could be the one to watch is natural gas. That should probably continue right up into the fall. So that's going to be the new one I would watch, is definitely the natural gas. You can see here, copper has flattened out, dropped back, trying to recover there. Same, well, actually, corn's been a solid decline. So that takes away the inflationary pressures. WTI, solid run up there. Compare that to natural gas. So these are the ones you want to be in. NASDAQ's been looking pretty good. There's been some slight pullbacks here. That's for the NASDAQ. So that's good. Platinum could start running. I don't know, but I wouldn't bet on it if you've got a healthy looking US market. Brent crude, same as the WTI. And dropping again, taking away that concern of inflationary pressures. Gold is dropped quite a bit last week. Actually, that's got a little bit of a run up, but we'll leave it at that for now and have a good day.